Hi everyone, I'm Mark Sievers, and today I'm going to show you my favorite ways to prepare rosemary for recipes. So rosemary is a beautiful aromatic herb, kind of a little bit spicy almost, and it does have some characteristics that are essential when cooking with it. So let me give you a little close-up of rosemary. This is rosemary. It's this beautiful, very hard branch, very tough leaves, and a very distinct flavor. It also can be very overwhelming in recipes, so you want to use it sparingly. So let me show you my favorite ways of using rosemary. So you can use it whole sprigs while you're sauteing something in butter or olive oil. You can put whole sprigs on top of roasted potatoes or roasted onions or really any roasted vegetable in the oven. But my favorite way is using it finely minced. And instead of picking off every leaf one by one, which would be maddening, you take your fingers and you run them against the grain of the leaves and they all come right off. And then because rosemary is quite woody, you want to make sure it's pretty finely minced when you're putting it into recipes. That is the key of making sure that your guests eating your delicious food don't get a big piece of a tough leaf. Nobody wants that. And et voila, minced rosemary. I hope you found this video to be informative, and I hope it helps you in your kitchen at home. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and head over to marksievers.com to learn more recipes, entertaining tips, and check out my 2 cookbooks. Until next time, bye!